Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. On the daily chart, Bitcoin has been moving inside a well-defined triangle that began forming back in August. This structure also fits the textbook description of a pennant formation. The upper edge of this pattern has consistently acted as resistance, keeping price movement constrained until the beginning of October. On the 1st of October, the market made an attempt to push above that descending boundary, giving the appearance of a confirmed continuation. However, that move quickly reversed, sending the price back into the center of the formation. This false signal increases the likelihood that we may see a deeper test of support or continued sideways movement before any clear directional confirmation develops. Technically, the full length of the formation projects a potential target in the 160,000 region once the pattern resolves. But the current hesitation suggests underlying pressure within the structure. The quick rejection indicates either an imbalance between supply and demand or a deliberate shakeout before a decisive move. If we zoom into the 1-hour chart, it becomes even clearer how precise this structure has been. In the past 24 hours, the price bounced exactly within the narrow peak of the pennant, between the upper and lower boundaries, showing remarkable respect for the technical pattern. From a macro perspective, external news continues to add uncertainty. The recent tariff announcement toward China brought back memories of the previous tariff event, when initial rates of 145% were eventually reduced after diplomatic talks. That situation eased quickly once both sides found common ground, and a similar resolution could unfold again. Looking at indicators, the relative strength index is recovering from oversold conditions, the MACD line is trending above its signal, and the wave trend indicator is showing an uptick in momentum. These align with early signs of stabilization, but as always, only time will confirm whether this holds. For context, the fourth quarter so far is showing a negative 3.36% performance. Historically, such a move was only seen during post-cycle correction years, not during active upward cycles. Whether this becomes a repeat of those years or a temporary dip will depend on how the market reacts in the coming sessions. Likely by Monday, we'll know more. I'll continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time market discussions. Thank you for leaving a comment as support. It really helps. Click the like button if this analysis gave you value, and subscribe with the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.